It's the big clean up. It's the big clean up at Cleveland's. After Storm Dave. The beach is hardly moved. This ground's obviously done its job perfectly. It's all level, it's all up to the wall, it's all where it should be. If you want some logs, now's your chance. There's some lovely bits of wood, like that one down there. We're going to take a look in a minute. I've just been litter picking down here. I've just ended up with a bag full that weighed a ton, and then that bag there, that green one, and then 5 seconds later he turns up. Isn't that just typical? Isn't that just typical? So Storm Dave. Well, at least my information board stopped where it was, even though it does look like it wants a new one. It's definitely worn well as that one. Oh, goodness me. Well, I went to the loo at 2:15 on Saturday night into Sunday morning. And the back garden, because our bedroom's at the back garden was absolutely full of foam, blowing everywhere. It was a right mess. So so I went to loo, went back to bed and thought that's going to be a mess tomorrow to clean up. So apparently, according to my dad, the foam was as high as this wall, which I'll show you from the other side. That's a lovely log. Lovely log. Anyway, as you can see, these here groins have been doing the job, because this beach here in the past has been known to just drop, so that you end up with a great big drop off the seawall. So it's not too bad down here. But the foam, oh the foam. I'll show you the foam from the other side of the wall. What a mess. So I filled my bag full of rubbish, and it's got to be that heavy that I couldn't lift it, so that's a sandbag. Right, okie dokie. I'll tell my pals at Balfour Beatty to come and fetch that one. Not what that is. Oh, drop me circle. There's an awful lot of sanitary waste as well. I'll take that with me. This lady's obviously optimistic of finding treasure. I'm going to deposit this in a bag as I come up to one of our beach cleaners. So it's Bank Holiday Monday today. So you've got double bubble. Now then, that looks like a hyacinth, does it not? We've got double bubble today. We've got a video at tea time and this one now. Some more rubbish here. I wonder if I can carry it all together. Oh, some more rubbish. Just a minute. I'm going to have to be multi-processing here. Hey, look at this. I managed to pick 3 up in one. Let's see if we can get this one as well. This little bag. So, it's Bank Holiday Monday. And, oh, look at this then. 5. Oh, it's fastened down. It's stuck to the beach. That needs this aid. And there's about 23, 24 people turned out to come and bit clean. litter pick and beach clean, all in one word. So this is how it works, look. So you can see it in action. So your groin goes right up to the top of the toe protection, which is these rocks that go sideways, and then it extends from there that way down the beach. So when they're working, this is what you're going to end up with. In another few years, when it's built up properly, this is the kind of effect you'll get. So you'll get almost all of it ending up being covered. That's a grand sandcastle. I think Grandma and Grandad are doing more of that than grandchild. I think we'll go up here and deposit my rubbish. My left wrist killing me. I can't lift anything else heavy with my left hand. I think it's about 10:15 as I'm filming this, and it's just starting to shape up for a lovely day. Look at all them people in yellow. I think somebody must have brought this up at the weekend. This is, well, one huge gigantic tangle of fishing rope and a sack. I think somebody's been doing a litter pick on their own. We've got a sand drift. And everything is just mucky. It's all mucky. The foam was as high. This is shoulder height against me, this wall. And the foam was up to the top of this wall. So you can see how bad it were. But I would say that it's not actually, the actual waves have not been up and over. I'm not getting up at 2 o'clock in the morning to scientifically prove that. Because if you look down here, that looks to me like it's just been covered in foam. And there's still a pile of sand there from when they did the crossover for the lorry for the groin. And I think that would have disappeared if it had been covered in water. And then look at this. This is what my house looks like. This is what my car looks like. If you ever come wave watching down here, expect when you get back that your car's going to look like this. These are all clean because they've all parked this morning. But oh my lord, what a mucky mess. So this is not a job for us volunteers. This is a job for council, I'm afraid. We quite often clean up when there's just a bit of sand. But that's too much for pensioners to be doing. Anyway, as far as I can see, there's been no damage. We've all survived another storm. And there's just one hell of a mess to clean up now. So I hope you've enjoyed that little look at the aftermath of Storm Dave at Cleveland's. All the proms are mucky. All the houses are mucky. We've got a sludge bath down here. This is that marvellous mud that comes up. So there you go. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye for now.